If you are dealing with large number of documents and you want to create a master document that contains the summary of all the documents, this is how you do it. First thing you need to do is you need to create a new document. So we'll go and create a new document. In this new document, you can save this new document with the new name, master document, or any other relevant name of your choice. Once we are here, we'll go to the view section. In view, we have to click on outline, and in outline, we'll click on show document. Here, click on insert and browse to the location where you want to insert the new document. So you can see we have these chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2. So if I try to select both the chapters together, that's not possible. You have to do one chapter at a time. So I'll select chapter 1 and open. Now you can see it shows chapter 1, and if we go down to the chapter to our chapter 1, if we go to our chapter 1, you can see it has two headings, one main heading chapter 1 and uh, chapter 1 subheading. So both are reflected here. We can go ahead and add another chapter to this. So I'll also add chapter 2. Okay, so now you can see chapter 1 subheading and chapter 1 heading and subheading are reflecting in this new document. We can go and go ahead and click on collapse subheading. If we do collapse at subheading, it will just show us the links. And if we click on the link, we'll go to the document file. So if we close the outline view and we go to view again and click on navigation pane, here it will show us the summary of all the documents. So here you can see it's showing the summary of all the documents, chapter 1, subheading, heading and subheading, chapter 1, heading and subheading. So like this, I can quickly view all my documents from the master document.